So this the website of Clipchamp. Click on the first website. As you can see, quick and easy video editor. But don't worry, we won't edit any kind of video today. Now at first, we have to sign up here. I assure you, this is a free tool so you can easily use it. To do so, click on Try for free. Now it says that it is available on desktop only, but if you're using mobile phone, I have solution for you. Just tap on 3 dots, scroll up and turn on the desktop mode. Now you can choose any of these sign up method. I will choose Google for sign up. After that you will be redirected to this page. Actually, this is an online video editor tool, but it gives us the free voice generating option. Now click on Create a new video. And this is your dashboard. Now click on the second option, Record and Create, and scroll up till last. So this is the text-to-speech option. Click on it and a new section will be shown to your right. You can choose your language and voice model from here, and just see it, it contains so many languages along with their various accents. You can choose language like English, Hindi, Bengali, Korean, Japanese, French, and many more. And from here you can choose the voice model. As you can see, there are various voice models and you can hear them first by clicking on Preview.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing. साझा करने योग्य कहानी बनाने में आपकी मदद करने के लिए विभिन्न ध्वनियों में से चुनें।
Elige entre varias voces para ayudarte a crear una historia que vale la pena compartir.
Okay, now let's generate something. Just choose English and select a voice model. Now just paste your story in this text box. Click on Preview and please remember it allows you to generate voice of 10 minutes at once. And I think it's more than enough for creators.
In the dimly lit forest, shadows dance beneath the ancient trees as a soft breeze whispered through the leaves.
में प्राचीन पेड़ों के नीचे छायाएं नृत्य करती थीं जब एक कोमल हवा पत्तियों के बीच में गुनगुनाई.
Just save it and export the video as draft in 480p. Finally, download this file as video format and just extract the video sound in your editor like CapCut or Filmora. The voice quality is far more better when you will try.